When it comes to garage doors in the Tampa area, Garage Door On has you covered. Need repair service? They handle everything from garage door opener installations to emergency repairs. Considering a new installation? They provide expert service for both residential and commercial garage doors. Struggling with a stubborn spring? They're experts in spring replacement, ensuring everything works smoothly. Serving neighborhoods like Carrollwood, Westchase, and beyond, Garage Door On is your go-to company. Looking for reliable service? Visit us online and see why they're a trusted name in garage door solutions.